How to check Facebook email address. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to check the Facebook email address. So what here you need is updated or make sure that the Facebook application is completely up to date. So head over to your respective app store and on the search bar type in Facebook. So when you locate Facebook, what you need is make sure to update it, and after completely updating you want to click on the open button, and after it is completely updated and logged in, you'll then be taken to the field. So what next you need is click on the initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and you want to go to the settings from the page. So when you go to settings, click on see more in account center, which is at the top, and you could find these sections. So here what you need is, or what you can do is, you could simply go to profiles from the top of the page. So as you go to profiles, you could click on the following account, or else what you could do is, actually instead of coming to this page, you could simply go to personal details, and then there you have these contact info at the top of the page. So you could simply go ahead and click on it in order to view or check your Facebook email address. So this is how you could check your email address on Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.